Welcome to another session of Ebenezer Gate coaching classes. This is a numerical aptitude type problem for 1 mark. The output voltage V0 for the network given in the figure is. Now, here we are given the current here is this current is 1 million. And let's assume this voltage as 0. We're just assuming. So let this voltage be Vx. And if this voltage is Vx, there's only a voltage source between this point and this point. And this voltage, let me call it Vy, and Vy minus Vx, there's only a voltage source there. So that is 6 volts. Or Vy is Vx plus 6. Okay. And now this voltage with respect to this is V naught. So this voltage can be written as V. So we'll have to find out what is V naught. Now we have only two variables, V0, V0 and Vx. Now once we have two variables, we need two equations. Let us write the equation here. Here, for my nodal analysis, what I do is I add all the currents going out of a particular node and equate it to 0. So at this point, there are three currents. One is flowing through this 1 kilo, another one is flowing through this 1 kilo, another one is flowing through the current source. So that is not leaving the node, but it's entering it. So I put it as minus 1 million. So this voltage is V naught. So the current here, let me put this I1. This let me put this as I2. The other one is 1. So I can write I1 plus I2 minus 1 milliamp is equal to 0. Or I can put I1 plus I2 equal to 1. What is I1? I1 is V naught minus Vy by 1. Since I am assuming in kilo and milliamp, so I without any difficulty, I can write 1 kilo as 1. And I2 is what? V naught minus Vx by 1. So this is going to be 1. Vy is already Vx plus 6. So V naught minus Vx minus 6 plus V naught minus Vx equal to 1. Or 2V naught minus 2Vx equal to 1 plus 6, 7. So this is one equation. We need one more equation. So for that equation, I take this point Vy. So the current going into this 1 kilo, the current going through the upper 1 kilo, current going through the voltage source, and should be added. So let me put the current going to the voltage source as I3. I3. This Vy point, what I do is minus I2, and this current I call it as I4, minus I2 plus I4 plus I3 is 0, considering the point V1. What is minus I2? Minus I2 is V naught Vy minus V naught by 1. Okay. Minus I2 is Vy minus V naught by 1. What is I4? Vy by 1. What is I3? Let me put this I3. Put the 0. Now, this is, now let me look at the point where Vx. So that will give me I3. Now, at Vx, that's the current, this, let me call this current as I5. I5. So what is I5? Ah, from this point, I5 is going out, I1 is coming in, so it is minus I1. I3 is coming in, so minus I1. So I5 minus I1 minus I3 equal to, let me write it here, I5 minus I3 minus I1 equal to 0, or which implies I3 is I1 minus I5. What is I1? I1 is flowing into it. So V0 minus Vx by 1. I1 is V0 minus Vx by 1. What is I5? Vx by 1 plus Vx by 1. So V0 minus Vx, I3 is, I think I have made a mistake. I5 minus I3 minus I1. Okay. So I3 is I5 minus I1. Sorry. I3 is minus I1 plus I5. Minus I1 is minus V0 plus Vx by 1. I5 is Vx by 8. I1 Vx minus I1 is Vx minus V0 by 1. And I5 is Vx by 1. Okay. This I3. So I get I3 as 2Vx minus V0. 2Vx minus V0. I substitute in this equation. In this equation. So let me rewrite it here. Vy minus V0 by 1. Vy minus V0 by 1 plus Vy by 1 plus I3 equal to 0. Plus Vy by 1 plus I3 equal to 0. And I3 is I5 minus I1, where I5 is Vx by 1 minus I1 is Vx minus V0 by 1. Minus I1 is Vx minus V0 by 1. So 2Vx minus V0 is I3. I substitute here. Vy is already, Vx plus 6 minus V0 plus Vx plus 6 plus 2Vx minus V0 equal to 0. So 1Vx, 2Vx, 4Vx. 4Vx minus V0 minus V0 minus 2V0 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. Or 2Vx, 2V naught minus 4Vx minus 12 equal to 0. Or 2V naught minus 4Vx equal to 2V naught minus 4Vx equal to 12. Now we already have equation 2V naught minus 2Vx is equal to 7. So we'll have to 2V naught minus one equation is 2V naught minus 2Vx equal to 7. The other one equation is 2V naught minus 4Vx equal to 12. 2V naught minus 2Vx is 7. The other equation 2V naught minus 4Vx is 12. So if I have to find out V naught, what I have to do is divide the second equation by 2. I get V naught minus 2Vx equal to 6. So this is 1 and this is 2. I subtract equation 1 from equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So we get V naught equal to 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is 1 volt. The answer is 1 volt. Thank you. God bless you.